In this video, we're going to show you how to set up a loyalty and rewards program on Shopify. A loyalty program is a powerful way to increase repeat purchases, improve customer retention, and build long-term relationships with your buyers. Instead of focusing only on acquiring new customers, you reward existing customers for taking actions like making purchases, signing up, or referring friends. With a Shopify loyalty app, you can create point systems, VIP tiers, referral bonuses, and exclusive discounts that encourage customers to keep coming back to your store. The good news is that Shopify makes this easy to set up using apps from the Shopify App Store. By the end of this video, you'll know how to install a loyalty app, configure a reward system, and launch it on your store. So, let's get started. The first method is to install a loyalty and rewards app. Log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left navigation menu, click Apps, then open the Shopify App Store. Search for a loyalty and rewards app that fits your store's needs. Review the app's features, pricing, reviews, and permissions before clicking Install. Once installed, open the app and begin the setup process. Most loyalty apps will guide you through a setup wizard where you can configure your rewards program. Next, define how customers earn points. For example, you can assign points for purchases, account creation, newsletter signups, social media follows, or referrals. Then decide how customers can redeem those points. You might offer discounts, free shipping, store credit, or special gifts in exchange for accumulated points. After that, customize your loyalty widget. Adjust colors, text, and placement so it matches your store's branding and appears naturally on your storefront. Many apps also allow you to create VIP tiers. For example, you can reward high-spending customers with exclusive benefits, such as faster shipping, early access to products, or higher point multipliers. Once your setup is complete, test the system. Create a test customer account and simulate earning and redeeming points to ensure everything works correctly. Check both desktop and mobile views to confirm the widget displays properly. In most situations, these steps are all you need to successfully launch a loyalty and rewards program on Shopify. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, install a loyalty app from the Shopify App Store. Second, configure how customers earn and redeem rewards. And third, test your program and launch it to your customers. Remember that loyalty programs are most effective when they are simple, valuable, and easy to understand. Clear rewards and consistent engagement can significantly increase customer lifetime value and encourage repeat purchases. And that's how to set up a loyalty and rewards program on Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify feature you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.